Hey, it's Eric Hatcher with Century 21 coming from beautiful Rancho Cordova, where I have a brand new home from a Premier home. It's Premier Builders. If you have not been into a Premier home, you are missing out. So come check it out because you'll absolutely love it. There's about 4,000 square feet. It's only around 7 months old, and basically has this gourmet kitchen. I love the amazing custom railing that they have. This home has over $150,000 worth of upgrades, including this amazing window and this door that actually slides all the way open to be able to bring the inside out and the outside in. So guys, come see this home, like it, subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon. Hey, it's Eric Hatcher with Century 21 coming from beautiful Rancho Cordova. Cooking with your agent, we're super excited today to bring you a family recipe that you'll absolutely enjoy, which is Teresa's, my mother Terry's, lasagna. See, what you need to understand is everybody knows what kind of lasagna is, but you have not eaten an amazing lasagna until you eat my mother's lasagna. So today we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start. I already have the ground beef and the ground sausage already cooked back in here, so it's just a little bit of that mixed together. I've got my lasagna noodles kind of going here. I've got my cheeses up here in front. So what we're gonna do is we've got this simmering back here with the meats, and we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit salt and pepper this to your little bit of seasoning that you kind of like. Get a little bit of a pepper on that as well. And we're gonna go ahead and put in our 2 cans of tomato sauce. So then you're gonna go ahead and have this completely just kind of simmering. And while this is simmering, we will go over and we'll discuss the cheeses here in just a moment. So right now what we're gonna do is we've got some cream cheese in here. We got 1 cup of sour cream that we're gonna drop in here as well. And we got ricotta cheese, which is great. Now I know you guys can actually make this to, if you want it a little bit runnier, a little bit less runny, you know, take the recipe, subtract or add a little bit more if you wish. I'm kind of really enjoy more of the sausage, that pork sausage in there gives so much more flavor. So that's actually one of my favorites to add, maybe a little bit more meat there. So kind of mix that up a little bit. You're gonna grab some of these little onions. Get that nice and good. So you got this nice flavorful, smells great. Onions give it a little bit more flavor too. So let's come on over and start layering this. Got all the cheeses mixed up. I also want to share a little bit that we actually do mostly mozzarella with a little bit of cheddar. So I've got, remember I got that little bit layer with the ground beef and the pork sausage on the bottom, and I put the first layer of noodles there. And then we're going to go ahead and make some different layers here and put a little bit more of this lovely meat right here on the bottom. On the next layer. And again, this is like basically, you could create your own little artistic. You are the artist today. You can put it however you kind of feel like you want it, but you just gotta have to make sure you kind of layer it properly in equal portions right there on that. So then we're gonna grab some of our cheese. We're gonna kind of put this across the top there and kind of spread that a little bit. Again, if you're cooking for your family, you're welcome to get nice and sloppy in here with your hands if you so wish, or just grab a spatula and kind of put a little bit of that in there too. And make sure you get all the way to the corners, okay? That is a family important deal, not by my mother, but by my Shannon, my wife. All right, so we're gonna put a little more cheese in this. Sprinkle some cheese. As you can see, we got it all nice and equal here. And then we are going to put another layer of noodles. So I'll go ahead and continue this method. All right, we got it all beautiful. See how perfect that is, layered evenly. So you're gonna basically be covering this and put this in the oven, bake it at a low temperature at 350 for about 45 minutes until the center is warm. If you happen to put this in the refrigerator, because this is a perfect meal that you can actually make and prepare the day before, if you put it in the refrigerator, it's a little bit colder, you'll need to let it stay in there a little bit longer in the oven. So thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Cooking with Your Agent, and we'll see you next time. Behind the scenes, you guys, you can see my cleanup crew comes in She does a great job. She's the cooking crew. She provides everything, lays everything out for us in the perfect quantities and measurements, which is great.
Don't forget the shopping.
And the shopping. She does the shopping too. So please, guys, I'm just the face. She is everything else. Okay.